What is the impedance of the folded dipole antenna? A 50, B 100, C 300, D 20. The correct answer is 300. What is the beam width for a half-wave dipole antenna? A 90, B 180, C 50, D 250. The correct answer is 90. The impedance at the center of the antenna is known as A. Characteristic impedance, B. Radiation resistance, C. Transmission impedance, D. Recovery resistance. The correct answer is radiation resistance. The type of dipole antenna that has a higher bandwidth is called as A. Conical antenna, B. Yagi antenna, C. Helical antenna, D. Marconi antenna. The correct answer is conical antenna. What is the power radiated by the antenna with gain called as A. Critical power, B. Transverse power, C. Effective radiated power, D. Transmitted power. The correct answer is effective radiated power. Which of the following antennas produce a vertical radiation pattern? A. Dipole antenna, B. Yagi antenna, C. Marconi antenna, D. Hertz antenna. The correct answer is Marconi antenna. The radiation pattern of a half-wave dipole has the shape of A. Donut, B. Sphere, C. Hemisphere, D. Circular. The correct answer is donut. What is the radiation pattern of an isotropic radiator? A. Donut, B. Sphere, C. Hemisphere, D. Circular. The correct answer is sphere. A dipole antenna is also called as A. Marconi antenna, B. Yagi antenna, C. Bidirectional antenna, D. Hertz antenna. The correct answer is Hertz antenna. What happens when the radiation resistance of the antenna matches the characteristic impedance of the transmission line? A. No transmission occurs, B. No reception occurs, C. SWR is maximum, D. SWR is minimum. The correct answer is SWR is minimum. What does the beam width of an antenna tell us? A. Signal strength, B. Signal power, C. Directivity, D. Degradation. The correct answer is directivity.